Hello everyone and welcome back to Tomorrow's Weather Today. Today I have a quick video on newly formed tropical storm Dolly, which I did not expect to be fully tropical. I did expect Dolly to become a tropical storm strength, just not a fully tropical system. Um, Hold on. Going back to here, Dolly is at 45 mile per hour winds, moving northeast northeast at 13, and has a pressure of 1,002 millibars. Um, the winds are on the southern side and will be post-tropical by tomorrow morning. I'm just seeing if there's an ASCAT. Yes, ASCAT. Um, Looking here, my this page just froze. It froze on me. I'm sorry. Um, I think this is where Dolly is. Um, you can this is Dolly right here. Whoa. Um, and we could see 30 to 35 knot winds on the southern side, like they were talking about in those reds right there. Here's our circulation, and all our strongest convection is on the southern side as well. Looking at the track forecast, we could see where this is going to head off to and become a remnant low quickly. Looking at satellite, we can see the strongest convection is on the southern and east side, and our heaviest winds were in this area right here. Our circulation is right in here. It was exposed earlier this morning, but now it is becoming covered by the convection, which allowed this to become fully tropical. If the center was exposed, I believe this would be a subtropical storm, but because there is central convection, this did become tropical. Looking at water vapor, just really quickly, we can see some drier air on the northern and eastern sides of this system. And remember, this will be tracking like this. Maybe some shear would be my guess on this northern side, but nothing too intense. Now, I want to take a quick sounding of Dolly, area sounding, and just take a look at this. Yeah, so there's very little shear, 10 knots of shear on it. And lapse rates are pretty weak, making this a warm core system. And tropical systems are warm core. If this was cold core, there would be steep steep lapse rates, and this would be much cooler as well. But taking a look, at the GFS says it's right here, but there's no convection along with it. And this is 36 hours out, and then it's like right up here at this time. But looking at the rest of it, the Atlantic, maybe a strong tropical wave coming off Africa. Might have to keep an eye on that. Yeah, that might be something to keep an eye on. And the GFS has been hinting at Gulf development the past few days, so that's also going to be something to keep an eye on. Going over to the Eastern Pacific is lighting up. Two areas of high chance, one medium chance, and one low chance. I don't really talk about the Eastern Pacific on my channel, but we can take a look at that really quickly. So, pretty sure this is one area, this is another area, and then we have two over here. This one looks like it's going to be developing really soon. And then here's a second one, and here's a third one. Then I would look to have another area of interest back here. That's going to form. That actually looks to cross over something like Cristobal, where Tropical Storm Amanda was in the Eastern Pacific, came up, and then reformed as Cristobal. This would be something we need to watch. Still far out, not necessarily going to happen, but it's something to keep an eye on. The Eastern Pacific will be active, it's looking like, for the next few weeks, and then once this starts to die down, I think the Atlantic will become more active as energy shifts that way. that is it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new video. And I will see you all tomorrow.